Hey there, fellow Wanderlusters. Welcome back to Offbeat Wanderlust, your ultimate guide to the world's hidden gems. Did you know that Berlin has more bridges than Venice? Yep, over 1,700 of them. The best time to visit? Late spring to early autumn, when the city is buzzing with festivals and the weather is just right for exploring. Stick around until the end because number 10 is an absolute game changer. You won't want to miss it. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for all the juicy details. Let's dive into the top 10 unique things to do in Berlin. Number 1. Third Reich and Cold War Walking Tour. First up, step into a time machine with the Third Reich and Cold War Walking Tour. It's like binge-watching a history documentary, but with actual walking and fewer commercials. You'll explore hidden bunkers, remnants of the Berlin Wall, and iconic sites like Checkpoint Charlie. Knowledgeable guides bring history to life with stories that'll make you say, "Wait, that happened right here?" It's a paid tour, but consider it an investment in mind-blowing anecdotes for your next dinner party. So, lace up those comfy shoes and get ready to walk through chapters of history you won't find in textbooks. Number 2. City Street Art Guided Walking Tour. Next on our list is the City Street Art Guided Walking Tour. Think graffiti is just vandalism? Berlin will have you thinking again. Wander through vibrant neighborhoods where every wall is a canvas and every alleyway tells a story. From colossal murals to intricate stencils, you'll witness the city's soul painted in Technicolor. You can opt for a free, self-guided stroll or join a paid tour for insider scoop on the artists behind the masterpieces. Either way, it's like stepping into an open-air art gallery, minus the snooty gallery attendants. Number 3. Hop on, hop off. Sightseeing bus, with boat options no less. It's like the Swiss Army knife of tours. Feeling footloose? Hop off at the Brandenburg Gate. Want to rest those legs? Stay on and enjoy the ride. Craving a breeze? Switch to the boat and cruise down the River Spree. This flexible, paid tour lets you see Berlin at your own pace without turning your feet into pancakes. Perfect for those who want to cover a lot of ground, or water, without breaking a sweat. Plus, who doesn't love a good double-decker bus ride? Number 4. Guided craft beer and cultural tour with snacks. Beer lovers, rejoice! The guided craft beer and cultural tour with snacks is calling your name, because what's culture without a little hops and barley, right? Visit some of Berlin's best craft breweries, sample unique brews, and munch on tasty snacks. You'll learn the art of beer making and maybe even how to say cheers in German. It's Prost, by the way. This paid tour is not just about drinking, it's a bubbly dive into Berlin's social fabric. Just remember, it's a tasting, not a chugging contest. Pace yourselves, folks. Tata see you. Number 5. Explore Teufelsberg's abandoned spy station. Feeling adventurous? Head over to Teufelsberg, or Devil's Mountain, to explore an abandoned spy station. Built on a man-made hill of World War II rubble, this place is as intriguing as it sounds. Once used by the US for espionage during the Cold War, it's now a graffiti-covered playground with some of the best panoramic views of Berlin. For a small entrance fee, you can wander through this urban jungle that's part art gallery, part historical relic. It's like James Bond meets street artist Banksy. What's not to love? Number 6. Take a free stroll through Tiergarten. If you need a breather from Berlin's urban energy, head to Tiergarten, the city's lush green heart. It's like Berlin's answer to Central Park, but with more history and fewer squirrels. You can explore it for free, and it's perfect for picnicking, biking, or just pretending you're one of those effortlessly chic Berliners lounging by the lake. Don't miss the victory column in the middle of the park. A little cardio up the spiral staircase will reward you with a killer view. Tiergarten is a peaceful escape in the middle of a city that never really sleeps. Plus, who doesn't love a good park day? Number 7. Visit the East Side Gallery. Next up, let's get some culture at the East Side Gallery. It's not just any old wall. This is the world's largest open-air gallery, painted on what's left of the Berlin Wall. The 1.3-kilometer stretch is covered in colorful, politically charged murals from artists all over the globe. Best of all, it's totally free. Whether you're snapping a selfie with the iconic fraternal kiss or just taking in the powerful messages, this spot is a must for any art lover or history buff. Who knew that concrete could be so inspiring and Instagram-worthy? Number 8. Climb to the top of the Berlin TV Tower. Ready for a view that'll leave you speechless? Then head to the Berlin TV Tower, or Fernsehturm, for a bird's-eye look at the entire city. This 368-meter tall structure was once a symbol of East Berlin's pride, and now it's a must-see for any tourist. The paid entrance gets you a ride up the elevator to the observation deck, where you can enjoy 360-degree views that stretch for miles. Feeling fancy? There's even a revolving restaurant. Just make sure to book tickets in advance. This spot is popular for obvious reasons. And hey, selfies from this height? Unbeatable. Number 9. Wander through the Mauerpark flea market. Let's go shopping, but with a twist. Mauerpark's flea market is the perfect place to find quirky souvenirs, vintage clothes, and local crafts. It's free to wander, but let's be real, you'll probably find something you just have to buy. The market is a mix of locals and tourists, and you'll often find live music, street performers, and some of the best street food around. Oh, and if you're there on a Sunday, don't miss the open-air karaoke. Yes, you read that right. Karaoke in the park. Whether you're buying or just browsing, Mauerpark is a Berlin experience like no other. Number 10. Dark Secrets of the Underworld Tour. And now for number 10, the one you've been waiting for. Drumroll, please. It's the Berlin Underworld Tour. This one's for the brave souls who want to explore Berlin's hidden underground tunnels, bunkers, and forgotten subway stations. It's a paid tour, but totally worth it for the spine-tingling stories you'll hear about Berlin's darker history. Whether it's air raid shelters or escape tunnels, this is one tour where you'll be on the edge of your seat the entire time. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to feel like Indiana Jones for a day? And there you have it. 10 incredible things to do in Berlin that'll make your trip unforgettable. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more Offbeat adventures. All the links to the tours and activities we mentioned are down in the description, so go ahead and start planning your Berlin escape. This is Offbeat Wanderlust, signing off. Until our next wild journey, safe travels.